Hello everyone, I'm Dean and welcome to my channel where we will discuss everything astronomy. I've always fancied myself an amateur astronomer and I enjoy astrophotography when I can find the time. I wanted to start this project as a means to increase my knowledge of the heavens and bring you along my journey and maybe teach you something as well. Of course, I'm more than happy if there's something that I could learn from you too. To begin, I thought we'd have a look at the Messier catalog, starting at the beginning and working our way through it. Before I begin exploring these remarkable objects, let's briefly discuss what Messier objects are. The Messier catalog, named after the French astronomer Charles Messier, is a compilation of various celestial objects including galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Messier created this catalog in the 18th century to assist comet hunters in differentiating between comets and these fixed objects. So who was Charles Messier? Well, Charles Messier was a French astronomer. He was born on the 26th of June, 1730, and he died the 12th of April, 1817. He was a Fellow of the Royal Society. He discovered 13 comets. He has an asteroid and a crater on the moon named after him, and he was reportedly given the nickname the Ferret of Comets by King Louis XV. Our first stop is Messier 1, also known as the Crab Nebula. This nebula is the remnant of a supernova explosion that occurred in the year 1054. It's located in the constellation Taurus. It's 6,000 light-years away and spans about 11 light-years. The Crab Nebula is a captivating object to observe, displaying intricate filaments and a pulsar at its core. This pulsar is a relatively young neutron star. It was discovered in 1968 and was the first pulsar to be connected with a supernova remnant. It spins at about 13 times per second. This time-lapse movie of M1 was created from a series of 10 Hubble exposures. It reveals wave-like rings expanding outward from the nebula's pulsar. Moving on, let's explore Messier 2, a stunning globular cluster situated in the constellation Aquarius. Messier 2 is one of the largest globular clusters in our galaxy, with hundreds of thousands of ancient stars tightly packed together, spanning about 178 light-years in diameter. It's located approximately 37,500 light-years from Earth. It's estimated to be approximately 13 billion years old, making it one of the oldest known globular clusters. It's best viewed during the early spring, and under extremely good conditions, it is just visible with the naked eye. Our journey continues with Messier 3, another captivating globular cluster. Located in the constellation Canes Venatici, Messier 3 is one of the brightest and most accessible globular clusters in the night sky. It contains an estimated 500,000 stars, and its central region is densely packed, creating a beautiful stellar display. The cluster is estimated to be around 33,900 light-years away from Earth and has a diameter of approximately 180 light-years. Let's now explore Messier 4, a globular cluster found in the constellation Scorpius. Messier 4 is relatively close to us, residing about 7,200 light-years away. It's considered to be the closest globular cluster to Earth. It contains a large population of stars tightly bound by gravity. This cluster's central region is particularly dense, with stars almost touching each other, creating a mesmerizing sight. Analysis of Hubble Space Telescope data in 2023 revealed what could be the best evidence for an intermediate mass black hole at its center. Our final destination for today is Messier 5, a splendid globular cluster located in the constellation Serpens. Messier 5 is one of the oldest known globular clusters, estimated to be over 13 billion years old. With its tightly packed stars and stunning brightness, Messier 5 is a true celestial gem. It's one of the brightest globular clusters in the sky and is about 165 light-years across. The cluster contains 2 millisecond pulsars, which allows for the proper motion of the cluster to be measured. As we conclude our exploration of the first 5 Messier deep sky objects, we have witnessed the extraordinary beauty of the cosmos. These objects, ranging from supernova remnants to globular clusters, offer us a glimpse into the vastness and complexity of our universe. I hope this video has inspired you to further explore these wonders and continue your astronomical journey. I look forward to continuing a journey through the Messier catalog. So join me next time as we explore several open clusters, nebulae, and globular clusters. Until then, thank you very much, and keep looking up.